Now I can't go do shopping, go give Pikin. You see many women where una sin go come before una. Waiting you mistake when you do 7 years ago. Now you they come they face the sin. Do you know why? Because na nemesis. If you look Goya now, no matter how it be, Goya don't marry. She don't marry, right? Ella now does he go, he don't marry, she's a married woman. You now, where your own? Even though say na Nigeria, Ella go marry, where they amure, even though na Cotonou, you go carry us back home. The important thing say, me will see your own results. Say, after your saga, after the nonsense where you don't do yama, you see us back. Now for Tompolo platform, go they see you every two months. Now you they come say you don't engage. Your boyfriend, you want marry, you want do marriage. I make better you. You say you want do marriage. For the past 3 years, I tell no perigodi. Now so marriage say they sing for a year. He go say want do marriage. After 1 week of 3 days, well, yes, say boy go beat up for train station. Well, yes, say boy throw away load come out. Well, they hear different thing for your body. Fake life won't finish you as you hungry. You know what it make people just they leave you because of Ewi, because say you go settle with Ewi. I will say you are Ewi not they play. Ewi go sit or say wait till Ewi talk, people go see put hand because Ewi talk. Because say Ewi they support you now, they act like say everything they okay. People just say they act like everything really they okay. Why you be saying Nana Ella? Don't go marry for Nigeria. Nana you want to open the file of your Pikin for more than 7 years. Now you want to open the file of your dead Pikin. You are an evil and a wicked mother. I put it to you, Perigodi. And mind you, anything will make you go back to Paris Bobo. I've been at Paris Bekus. Imagine what ye a man where woman don't fair born for children for Nigeria. For Europe, for you, not be the way born for and for even France, so not be safe for another country. Man, where any Joshua way they give women belly. Ella suffer leave baby papa. Where are you here, me baby papa? Who got me boy here, me baby papa? You go see Ed stay here, me baby papa. You are a fool. You are a foolish girl. Paris Bobo he go use and dump you. Oh, they are not love way. Not be now. After 7 years, now one can't come back again. You are a fool. If they say clack it. Clack ao ege asene ube wewe ne 20. Maga ido ye do vione. Ado clock enye do wuwe. Again, okay, work it. I clock it. They never put paper for your toto. Why me clock it? Why me clock it? You see, when they say back to sender, now you be that back to sender pedigodi. For you to be say, ma where you kill your Pikin after 7 years, you want go back to run. Now you be that back to sender. May God not let me go back to ma where me ain't only body for 7 years. You are equally telling the whole world say, markets don't kill you. You not get value for market. You not get future again. So now only that guy be your last option. Guys, more na power tap. That me or more Queen Love. Now let me be Queen Love where they run now. Not be waiting they talk for a no gain. Let me they analyze for my platform. Or waiting they talk for the Tompolo. My own analysis go they very different, very strict, and very direct, and very, very honest. I know they see to the color and yash. If they say clock it for a no game platform today. And I call what the phone, may you not be here. I don't record waiting on one record. And I'll come they play everything for now. Now so free sleep. In I call here because why? Since I was born, I never see person will be say our foolishness now grade 100. Our foolishness not be grade 10 or grade 100. The way where Perigodi said they jump today. Where Perigodi said they jump like frog. Oh yeah, now it be like person never see Bola before. You are a fool, Perigodi. Now me quit talking. And if you try, if I hear my name for your mouth, you know how they be. If I hear my name for your mouth, I go beat you, Blood go they throw away for your nose. I swear to God who made me, you be evil more than you kill your Pikin. I put it to you. I'll they laugh for now again. Boys, go and call Junior. Junior, Divine. Food is right. What? Baby papa wa call no gay. Perigodi nearly strangle herself to death today. She nearly strangle herself to death. She just they jump like person will never hear my voice for since when they take born you. The kind of feelings, the kind feelings where perigodi get today, eh? It be like woman where you knew this virgin, where start to the knack bola, where start to the knack prick. You know where perigodi. Now peri be this have been a AI. Oh, her body they shake goze. As the boy your call a no gie. You are dying without saying goodbye, Perry. You are dying without saying au revoir. You are dying without saying au revoir. You never know me. If you got low for body go tell you. They play. Girls they play. Yeah, it's coming. Moment, daddy. Wait, let me wash my hands. I be on a power tap. Oh, yeah, me we mi negbewa. Oh, mo boy ni egbe you are on here. Oh, mo egbe you are oh. And now that's a family oh. A boy ni a Paris bobo. No get your vokai freezer or dear Paris bobo. A family gbewa. A family what do they call her? A kidnapper and Curtis. A family kidnapper with Curtis. I want to tell you the history of that family. They have senior brother yanti escape. Escape eyan gwo ofiyan adewebo a family anini mona power tap a family anini make una power tap escape na be their senior brother escape con senior one con senior ima na ima cut his wife for inside freezer the one where cut his wife for inside freezer where they call ima con senior Paris bobo. Now that family you want to go engage yourself for. Go at least in a Jesse, a Jennifer. When they call Jennifer, they say they don't see Jennifer Toto. Emmanuel Narie, uwe Jennifer. He carry Jennifer Toto. I will say I know I for carry Emma join you. Yeah, I'm with my by a perigodi. I don't already enter life. I for carry peripu for one side. If you can't cost me, I have a family member boy niya. Ido portrait ya fefefe. Ya portrait ido mwe perigodi ya diselevinya. Because now you go be the only choosing one time where time go reach. When Paris Bobo, his senior brother caught his wife for freezer. Police come they find Toto till tomorrow. I'm going to be me way. They not see Toto bury. Amami ya bury Jennifer. That guy Ima. Whether he carried the Toto follow body go prison, nobody know. Ella come they hide for her. We know when the story happen now. Ella they hide her head that time. Ima come they find Ella make it kill her because Ella was the one who know the story, everything about that family because say she born put. You, perigodi, you were a side chick. Where Ella was the serious girlfriend of that Paris Bobo. Not because say she born boy for the family. She was the serious girlfriend. Why perigodi was the side chick. You are a fool perigodi. Una way this way surround perigodi. Una way that perigodi friends. Una no go call out to order now. No bang by a family nire. A family no bokwowa. Imaki oguma. Oko guma we born to the for her. Or igbe wa nana gega freezer. Ma we igbe me a private part of one. Perigodi, Paris Boboki, your daughter. You see, have the F43. You have the temerity. They say, now so you love her. You are a fool. May your Pikin head make it destroy you. Make your Pikin head make it begin to torment you. May Yvonne head begin to torment you. May you not ever get peace for your life. Any mother where you choose pre-cover, where you choose your pre-cover your Pikin, you go end up like Perigodi. You go end up like Sonia. You go end up like all these useless girls where they use their own mistake till they correct our own. Even though say we will never have that kind of mistake in our life. In Jesus' name. You are a wicked girl. Now Yvonne, your daughter head, now you go torment you till you die. For you to come online and say you love Paris Bobo. A father that cannot protect his daughter. For Papa, you say he love Yvonne. Say now so your baby papa love Yvonne. If your baby papa really love your late daughter, why did he go and call his girlfriend to come and take care of your daughter? The idiot, now he go call Ella, make he come take care of your Pikin. Why he be say, We not hear the story say when Ella come uninvited, your baby papa can't call police for I can't pursue one. We they hear all those kind of story. Don't say baby papa can't call police or say I don't need this girlfriend. Yeah, this say baby papa now he call girlfriend though. Baby papa now he tell you say na Ella now he kill your pikin. And for a present Ella plate in air. Ella they bath and they feed them. Ella go supermarket go do shopping. Ella even say shampoo not there for the ass. Now Karogba where Paris bobote the bath. I be not be Paris Baba will be like this thing where it be like Galina, roasted Galina. All of them know as roasted Galina they be. We all of them know the most ugly human being for the whole world. Now Karogwa to take the bath your late daughter. Ella go do shopping. If una see Ella, una know say that girl is a innocent girl. That girl is a good girl. As far as say you not bring autopsy of Yvonne. I put it to you. If not be Eti Shuki Yvonne, now your carelessness and the bastard baby father of yours. Now he Yvonne and now Yvonne head go tomato now. Ah, what bewewa. Say you dey miserable. Go your carry husband come. Egbe ma we egbe okowe. You hear now say Ella don't go marry for Nigeria. You want kill yourself. May you die. At your miserable young age, you dey jealous. Anybody who they jealous, you go end up like Perigodi. You are too young to the day jealous. You know they come that upon the platform every 2 months say you want to do engagement ring. You want to do marriage, audio marriage where you they do. Audio engagement ring, audio marriage where no bell small girl when you chop push for your mama belly. You carry Pikin give you papa, you run go chop, go nakweti, go chop prick. No bell. You know why Paris Baba just if they give you face, he not see woman where he carry. Ella not fit carry her. The other woman where born for not carry her. He baby mama for 4 children for Nigeria not carry. Now he tell they find where he want use it to take pastime. And your miserable nursing school where you they go, your work where they work, you want to chop your money. Man where they do central for women head. Man where they chop women money. Now you come out for public, they can't say you love your baby papa. You are a fool. I put it to you, say you are a fool. Man, wait, be say all his story. We never hear say he back out for woman, or we never hear say now he give woman money may take do documents. If now those kind of things with the year now, you get every right. I'll say I no wonder the boy they receive man naturally where they spend money for woman. Don't say now he back use money to document for this one. Now he back out for her. Now he put her for nursing school. Ma, not be you talking today for a no gay platform say Ella na they feed Paris Bobo. So what you want go there? If you go now for your own risk. Now the small tertiary money where you they make now you want chop. You not get any tangible thing with you. Person who even born boy for her collect the right of father. Where will they call so garage for you? He collect that 50% from her. Now you wear your own die. Now you they say you want carry go for head. Maybe now so you take now so your God take build your destiny. Say all the children where you want born, you also for carry belly born finish. The man go they keep picking for your eye. You go they kill your children for your eye. Go me Paris Bobo. Wow, no adek be he go drug you finish. He go put pillow for your hand, you by yourself kill your pikin. He go there cause and you kill the pikin. That evidence go there. That everlasting prison where you never go, where your body never calm down. You can't go that prison that time. Obiame uwemi. Oh na miere ulove obiame media. Ma where he abandon 4 children for Nigeria. The one where see bomb boy for Ella he abandon her. Already I be allegedly or abandon now you this one. We're not yet suno karele now. You where you be like who they confess for winch. Now you want to go carry inheritance. Family where they kill their partner. Idiot. You don't get sense. You don't really get sense. Who just go carry Senegal Togo put for us? He better pass this rubbish where you they can't do. You don't know how foolish you are. You carry topic, go give us where they Nigeria. Would have never spent 10 minutes for their power bank. Amami power banking. Amami upa. He off live video for na head. Nonsense. Nyama. Junior, come and eat. Common sense, you not get.
Mom, I need cold water.
Okay, daddy. Woman, where you not sabi hide your grace and your blessings. Open mouth, gwa, 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 gwa. Open your mouth, gwa, gwa, gwa. Say, you love her. You love her. If you love her, you take concern social media people. You love her, keep it to yourself. More see the evidence, more see the marriage. She Ella so if you go Nigeria, go marry. Now here will come to the year say she don't marry. Well, una know the fit they do nothing make without una know is not tell so boba rapa. Nyama nyama. You hear they die without you never give your nest of key. Perry, you they die without you never write your nest of key. Who want hear it your nursing uniform where you take the work. Now you they do so. They say what an elderly person sits to see. If your mama climb the roco tree, no facing ya. Either they advise you now, no go here. Go ya marry, you want kill yourself. Now you come and they do saga again. You go meet her for store, go fight her. Is that not an evidence of jealousy and witchcraft? Now witchcraft be that. You hear they practice witchcraft, you don't know. So now witchcraft they practice. You where you know say no one stay up, no collect coins, they come down, Now money they take they buy coins. I'm where you want zero re. I always say coins video man now. You know the year. Not be said they'll give your they'll come out for zero, you come down. Now money person take they recharge. I bet mona show love, mona power tap. Yes now. Now money they take the recharge you. I'm way hey move up by zero. Who wants stay up? Me stay up. Just they talk today. You love your man. Your man way kill your pikin, perigodi. Man way not fit protect your pikin. Now you they say your man. See your own Jennifer own. As we hear, they say now let the toto they don't see. For Jennifer, your own. A Paris bobo off your way up all the in. Oh ya le pepper soupy. Oh guy muewe. Oh be fian ya le pepper soupy. Have a private part where by me rock barrier. Oh yeah, it's cold daddy. Oh yeah, le pepper soup. Oh yeah, le pepper soup. A Jennifer no have be 3 children. He born 3 children, whether na 2 boys, 1 girl, be na 2 boys, 1 girl. Louis, go and eat. Louis, go and eat. Go and eat. Go and eat. Go and eat. Do that need so marking. Go and eat. Go and eat. Do that need so marking. Go and eat. Go and sit down and eat. Go and sit down and eat. Get. 2 girls and a boy. Thank you, my dear. Private part of them, where they gbe me. Autopsy said they not see Toto. Whether he mark and follow body go prison, I be fair use that one take do pepper soup chop. Make because if they feel say maybe if Jennifer come life again, you know want make another man climb the Toto. Autopsy amami way. Ona you way with pepper soup. Now dear na perigodi they cry say want go wagiakian. Wage na this coconut bread where you know the year word. Paris bobo aka wa ya lenyobo. Oka ya le voato ne. Oh yeah, change voato mu yobo. See, very annoying. If you see as she did so annoying today, it did for Oscar platform. They run her mouth. They run your mouth. You no get sense. Oscar we not the Europe we not know what it be law. You don't know what law they talk. Now Oscar one can't tell you say, see what you want do. People men where they diaspora now God go bless all those men. One brother see holy grant. He say for ordinary beat where they go beat Pikin, mama go beat Pikin. God may go collect children for their parents' hand. Ordinary Pikin where God may go beat their children. God may go collect children for their parents' hand. Now he can't be say, na key where they go keep Pikin. Now God may go let them slide. If na person na kill the Pikin, even though say na you be mama, you know fit go scot free. Mama go beat Pikin, ordinary beating. They go summon you. In school not call you as you na hospital anywhere where they for find out. They ask that Pikin.
When they go to they say the chook some people the Pikin here. Now wow, let follow the game. Now lie. That's what they lie.
My dear, a petty man not tell me no wo yo, e me no gbo yo kan ni. E ti shuki ano.
You know what to do that Pikin because I
E
must
ti
tell you,
shuki
Mama.
ano.
You know what to do that Pikin. I must tell you, Mama.
I no go even feel still lie. E be petty of gbe no mo wa. Because we body imagine in your autopsy. Even though say the thing na 3 weeks ago, 1 month ayawe, autopsy must to find out. Oh, guy told me ni awo bi okan ni autopsy must find out. Ebe we go na wu.
If
I
you
think
see
one money
the
I'ma find out.
sick before, they're not serious. It's a Maria hospital, they're not serious. People say, you people start picking up and you say they're sick. If you can't say they're sick before, it might not really have food.
And na government na bury the pikin. God bless you. Now waiting me all the thing today. Now waiting me the thing today say that pikin dey sick. Iya mado bolele. I typhoid fever fit keep pikin. Malaria fit keep pikin. Fever fit keep pikin. You understand? Maybe that pikin dey sick. Na carelessness. Na carelessness. Na it be. That
Yes.
time she dey 17 years. A Perry better 17, eh? Perry is 26 years old now. And now 7 years ago, we were at 9, not be 17. Perry was at the age of either a late 19 or 20 when she born that small pikin. Not be 17 years. Perry should
Even
be.
if how they want Pikin self, so Pikin they sleep, you know they breathe fast self, You get the way your body go able to do yourself. Who's that get more at the hospital? Me like
Yeah.
do something, me like move on. I bet when they forget to the hospital, they talk and saga.
Girl, it not be special baby, not they keep pikin. It not get pikin go be special need. Special need they different from health issue. Sickle cell anemia not be special need. Now health issue. Now person where get where the pikin get health issue where he go they live on medication. If that pikin not be sickle cell anemia, I'm not sure. I will say that sickle cell. Ella for no. You know say the thing where they there either the pikin get another health issue where perigodi not even the baby papa not even they aware of. Or better still, the pikin not where I see you talk and me myself I reason her today. Maybe the pikin they sick, they don't quick carry and follow on.
Yes, Mama, now what me see?
Yes.
Now what me see for there? Now what me just see?
So nothing like now special, no, not be special need. Special need not be sickness. It's just a disability, not be sickness. Oh my perigodi, very yaba yaba human being. Very, very yaba yaba human being. Na perigodi be. Perigodi na useless person. She don't dey date 20 years that time. Person wey born at the age of late 19.
You say, Mama, how can you say Pikin or they able to sick? Is they okay? You can't go to Papa. The person called the sick of her. You start Omanawa who? What do you want sick for them? What do you want sick for them?
Perigodi na cunning person. Na very cunning person na she be. May go tell that to the gods. Not be me Queen Love Perigodi one come carry, come give come kabu story. Make we dey play record, make una dey hear. And una way una see dey behave like Perigodi, una hand up like her. Amen so awa me kia ye no bo me sadi na prick na peri make am kill that pikin nothing else. In we kia wa mu ebe ni. Wa ma bere na me clock it. O we fian wo me clock it. Ella for the fact say Ella don't leave the boy. He don't move on, don't go marry. It's a disgrace to Perry to even call the summon Ella for social media. Say Nana, Ella, you want find justice for Pikin way Asamoto. Or Mona Samoto ene for how many years? Wait time out, don't chop.
Now 7 years old. I'm a more Latvia. Wait, me about that for 7 years. I'm a more Latvia. Wait, me not that for well, man, it is well. Why put you some my FJ? My calling when I who was.
Me not dey winner. Now she carry market come, we have to buy it. In winner not dey here. Now he carry a frustration come out. Me winner you almost be ladian. We have to say things where we be. A perigodi and a boy all frustrate way. A boy ni and we call your bonnet. All we for having a dustbin. Come bet. A perigodi and foolishly boy ni a boy ni ga ways as ane. Also on for. Why
Ah,
not
I'm
payment
gonna tell you,
now?
go this happy. I'm not happy. If first level come here down, government have me on money. I swear. I'm gonna tell you, a pedagogy my bill, my motor,
Exactly.
on my coming, pedagogy now. Ah, yeah, me on money because they will
Exactly.
see
Oh man, I
not
calm
people
down.
to behave
And you have me
decent.
your money because even
And
the way she
I'm
dey behave,
telling you, it's not behave decent now. Not
perigodi.
calm
Oh,
down.
eti. Where say my darling sister? E mata wata ugu fion gbeyi. E perigodi eti si omo eno si oya gbina. E perigodi eti si omo eye e France all day Germany do le lo ma gbina. Egbon ma bo e periki. Os wa ma be menutana.
The
Again
kind
na
life where she dey
utano.
live, the
Eh,
pikin, government for no still let her hold the pikin.
exactly.
Yes.
So the kind of life wey be say na so
I'm
fight,
already
fight, fight.
I'm a
You know
calm
say
down.
when person too dey violence at toxic like
No
this,
get
government
na
no
eke
dey
ne
gree.
mata je o. Iya agbegwe ne. O wa gbina again na January to December almost so ya gbina. Almost so gbina de to money be ra gbin o ya se omo eno ma. O wi yen de o ya gbina. O igbina re ne. Odo de e chocolate re coco melon ni no mo. Nonsense. Omo no mi again na my way azeno. Again na zen e we ne no ge mu. Imama ne no ge o no pepe. E o ma no mo nyi ma zen. Very any a person. We gele mume. Babe no ya be we ego ya marry. Ona ya begging so. No wa be ya me we get na wa be ya omo do.
Now, the
Ego
funny
ya
part
kan.
of it, and then they tell me say Perry love this pikin. They all send me their mocker. Let me see the people so it's carry go meet so. More forget, I beg you.
Wa disgrace gbe. Oh je gbe you know. Very annoying somebody,
Calm
very
down, no, no,
disgusting
no,
person.
no, 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 so no, borrow, God, I beg. And this baby, your mommy, what's that, me, man? Oh, well, let's show me there, fair. Always saga, ya fair. Always saga.
Oh we na ma no ma mi ki ade. When we again na e no ro e ko e. Iye on ye pepper la. O my way the bottom line is not about preparing your co-s mate. The bottom line is that how sure are you that Paris Bobo really want to settle down with you? Or even the Paris Bobo self ready for life? Oh, there no even no say sissy from different women. Eba I hope we are settle. We no na me we me
Mama, I'm
bie.
over eh. They know you want see a man even now. I want to deny the girl. When a man here deny again, yeah, I say you see the deny Perry for back. Eh,
Exactly.
Perry when they was wrong. I say you see the deny for back. Mm.
Ama no bia mo bia o. Odina eh.
Okay.
Ora mo ko igwa no iwo. Eh. Owo love over here. O bia
Guys,
me I
so
love you.
tap on the screen. Let's get to 20K likes. I beg.
Owo love eh. They love you Tokyo. E mama je peri bi an dada were. Ah we. E Paris bobo so bi odoju ohun. Ma vere ma na we do analyze eh. I don't know wetin dey worry some of my gender. Yeah, wa me kia. Their sense of reasoning go just forget. It go just japa.
You know they pay Pikin. Why you removing his name when you try to now?
E na nigi son of me why you remove his name. Wo gwo emu eko ni we 9 months. Have a judge of social media. Why you remove him? Why you not go remove him? Must everybody answer their papa name? Era no ene gbo mo kwini ni eh. No dey here.
From. You know they pay Pikin. Why you removing his name when you try to now? Ever since my child was born,
Abeg mo
Paris
power
Bobo
tap
cannot
abeg.
vow of 1 naira towards my child.
Party
Louis, go
o.
and
Ye
come
party.
and sit down.
I dey
Paris
biscuity.
Bobo cannot
I dey
vow
bitobasi.
of 1
Some of
naira
them can
to
pe
my
9
child.
euro abi 11 euro. Ọmọ esi dey there.
Esi o
I
I am
dey
en
know that way.
gweta. I am en uta. They no dey hear you. Your voice
I
no dey
never
clear.
disconnect my Bluetooth door.
Yeah, you dey use Bluetooth, e not clear.
And they use the comment.
E not clear. Not clear.
I do the court matter, Epa, when my son was 6 to 7 years. I even come on this live video to explain
Oh, they
myself
hear me
to
now.
people to tell him to take the paper.
How's an idea? Okay, small.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, talk now. You want to talk?
Yes. I say where they blame the guest when the girl go remove his name for document, mama. I wanna buy one more. I ask ya.
Of course, now. Of course. He like when again he defended babe. I want my say one you
Well,
money there.
Okay, fine. Mama see you. Then they ask him DNA test. You have to pay. What is not truth? The man will pay for DNA test because why they are treason. The guy doesn't say yes not truth. He go fit pay for DNA test. He go fit pay.
Bona me.
The man will pay for DNA test. And when I go to what time, what good in water. I fit pay the girl. And the girl run there. I fit pay her. I fit pay the girl. The girl run there.
They know they pay na mat the day. Unu yanje answer. They know they pay na so that they make mouth. They know they pay. Guys, let's show love, please. Let's show love. Mona support the